The family in Champaign County is working to make homes safer after they lost a life in a fire. Joy Sheehan and family are hoping to get as many volunteers as possible for the 4th annual Christian Sheehan Smoke Alarm Blitz. Sheehan's son, Christian, died in a house fire in 2016. She says there were no working smoke alarms in the house. Now she works with the Champaign Fire Department to hand out and install alarms in Christian's memory. The Sheehans firemen and volunteers do this in a different neighborhood every year.
It's such a small price to pay for a smoke alarm in comparison to a loss of a life, a fatality, so it just seems senseless to not put energy and efforts into something that can make such a big difference in a small way.
She says hundreds have come out for the event in years past. She's hoping this year's event on April 18th will be the biggest blitz yet.